For the people of this village, clean drinking water has never been easy. In this village, every day begins and ends with the struggle to find clean drinking water. But today, Alhamdulillah, a new chapter begins. We are starting a deep bore through advanced rotary machinery using compressors and generators in village Davizai district Oman, a step that can change everything. Clean water will not just quench thirst, it will bring relief, health, and peace of mind to this entire community. You can feel the hope here today. People are watching, waiting, and praying that this water will bring ease into their lives. This project is made possible by Jigsaw Charity and implemented by Street Children Welfare Foundation. We are truly grateful to the donors for supporting this Sadaqah Jariyah because your support is bringing a real change to the community. Jazakallahu khair.